Okay, I'm about to say something that might shock you, especially coming from someone who's a financial advisor. You might not need me. That's right, I said it. Look, if you're a disciplined, spreadsheet-loving, CNBC-watching, tax code studying, rebalancing machine who actually enjoys doing all that stuff, well, you may be just fine as a DIY investor. In fact, some people even hire an advisor and then treat it like a tug of war. They want help, but only if the advice matches what they already believe. They want someone to beat the market, but not take any risk. They want someone to fix their finances without actually changing anything. Newsflash, that's like hiring a personal trainer and then eating cake on the treadmill. You want to hear the truth? The real reason to work with a financial advisor isn't because you can't do it yourself. It's because you don't want to worry about it anymore. So you can stop second guessing every other financial headline, so your spouse has somebody to call if something happens to you, and also because you believe peace of mind is a pretty sweet return on investment. So think about it. Most people don't hire a mechanic because they physically can't change their oil. They hire one because they've got better things to do. Same with your money. If you're looking for someone to make investing feel boring in the best way possible, to help you sleep better at night, and to make sure your plan works when you need it the most, simply schedule a quick 30-minute call with me. Go to patrickmcnally.com or even talktopatrick.com, and I'd love to answer any questions. Also, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn so you don't miss out on more of these awesome retirement quick tips. I'll talk to you soon.